Clubhouse Craft Corner with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Can you believe we are into our last few weeks of our first session of Kids Clubhouse? It's gone pretty quick. I hope you guys have had lots of fun and have enjoyed the crafts and the activities that we have been putting together for you guys, and the puzzles and the movies and all that fun stuff. Just a quick reminder, parents who already have their children registered for Clubhouse, I sent out an email. Please let me know if you'd wish for your child or children to continue with the second session. Registration for remaining available program spots will open December 15th, Tuesday, December 15th at 10 a.m. and registration will close Tuesday, January 5th. So again, if you want your child to continue with the program, please check out our event calendar for all of the details. Registration does go live 10 a.m. Tuesday, December 15th. Okay, so we are into December, and December always makes me think of yummy holiday treats, and for whatever reason, I love ice cream in the colder weather. Anything that has chocolate chips and mint, or I discovered that there's a hot chocolate flavored ice cream now. Super yummy. So this week's activity book, the theme is yummy, yummy ice cream. We will not be making any ice cream today, but we are going to make an ice cream themed craft. So in your activity book, you'll find your usual word searches, your crosswords, your coloring pages, word games, all of that fun stuff. And then the very last page is our Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner, and you can always find the step-by-step instructions on what we'll be doing there. So again, we are going to be making some tissue paper ice cream cones. So in your activity kit for this craft, you will get a piece of brown paper and approximately 8 sheets of tissue paper, but you'll have 3 different colors, and you will also have some string. From home, you will need a pair of scissors, tape, or glue, whichever you prefer to use. So you guys grab your supplies, and we are going to meet right back here with our very first step to this craft. All right, so step 1. These instructions are actually really, really well done too. So super easy to follow. So we're gonna take our pieces of tissue paper, lay them on top of one another. If you wanna do the 3 sheets, 3 yellow, 3 pink, 3 red all together, or if you wanna alternate them, that's where you can alternate them so your ice cream is multicolored. So you're gonna lay them down on top of each other. So here's mine, and I'm actually going to put different colors in between, as so. So once you have them placed on top of each other, you're going to accordion fold them. So about the width of 2 fingers is each fold, okay? So fold over, fold under, fold over, fold under. So like a fan, okay? So you guys keep folding your tissue paper, and we'll meet right back here for step number 2. Okay, so I'm back with my accordion. So our next step is we're going to take the string that we have in our kits, and we're going to tie the string around the center of our tissue paper. All right? So let's tie it. Okay, so we have them tied. Now we're going to take our scissors and we are going to cut the end of our tissue paper so it's rounded. Okay, so just like that. This part might be tricky. If you need a grown-up to help you with the cutting, remember to always ask, just because the paper is kind of thick. And if you take small scissor strokes, it makes it a little bit easier to get through the pieces of paper. Okay, so once you have your corners rounded, we're then going to fan out the paper just like this. And we're going to start separating them. Okay? So separate your sheets, just as so. Do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll meet right back here for step number 3. So I have opened up all of my tissue paper. Looks like a super colorful flower. So I'm going to take this and set it aside. So our next step, we are going to want to make our paper ice cream cone. So in the instructions it says take your pre-cut brown paper. By pre-cut brown paper, it just means an already nicely cut piece of brown construction paper. So we are then going to take our wonderful piece of brown construction paper and we are going to fold it so it looks like a square. Once you have that done, take your scissors and cut along your folds. Set that aside. Okay, we have our square. Then you are literally going to just take your squared piece of paper and you're going to roll it into a cone. Okay, so take it, and roll it into your ice cream cone. Okay, so this is where you take your tape or your glue, whichever you are using or whichever you have handy around the house right now. And we are going to tape that. Okay, and then I'm going to put one more piece of tape along the seam there. Okay. So, remember the string? You're going to take it, pull it together, you're going to hide the string into the cone, and then the pieces of tissue paper that you have that are kind of hanging around the back, you can glue or tape those down. If you have hot glue at home, and just remember if you're using hot glue, always make sure you have a grown-up nearby because we don't want to hurt ourselves. You can also put hot glue around the inside of the tissue. I'm not using hot glue today, so I'm going to pre-cut a couple of pieces of tape. And I am going to take some of my pieces of tissue paper that are hiding right along the edge of my cone. And I'm going to tape it down. Once it's taped down, you can separate it again. If you squish some of that tissue, you can pop it back up a little bit. And there we have it. Some yummy, yummy ice cream for everyone to enjoy. I hope you guys had lots of fun. This was just a fun craft to get your creative thinking caps going and just to enjoy and to have fun. We'll see you back here next Tuesday for Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner at 4:30. And I believe it is our last one for session number 1. Like I said, I hope you guys had lots of fun, and remember to check out our website and our event calendar for Kids Clubhouse registration details for session 2. Thanks so much, friends. See you next week. Bye.